departmental report. An extraordinary year defined by innovation, achievement, and relentless commitment to excellence. At the Department of MBA, we are driven by the belief that management education must blend intellectual rigor with real-world relevance. Our pedagogical foundation, the PEB model, participative learning, experiential learning, and problem solving continues to empower our students to become visionary leaders, agile thinkers, and most importantly, responsible citizens. Our 2-year MBA program, affiliated with BTU, offers dual specialization in finance, marketing, HR, and business analytics, the need of the hour. The curriculum is enhanced by certifications, international immersions, and our unique value-added programs in the form of business trends, business analytics, Microsoft Excel, soft skill training, and the domain-specific training. The previous year witnessed a remarkable 98% success rate, with 70% of placements and 28% of entrepreneurship. The placements were in reputable organizations like EY, Accenture, IKEA, and the list is endless. The academic journey has been punctuated by a series of landmark events, each reflecting our ethos and holistic development. Aramba 16.0, our graduation ceremony, celebrated the accomplishments of over 240 graduates, marking an unforgettable journey. This was the batch of 22-24. RD 18.0, our MBA department's orientation program, welcomed the 18th batch of aspiring leaders and set the tone for a transformative journey into Acharya Institute of Technology, Department of MBA. Investor 1.0 witnessed our students pledging to uphold the dignity of leadership through the investor of Pragma, CIC, and Class Rep Council. Autumn 25, our glamorous Freshers' Day, immersed the new cohort in the evening of music and golden memories. Kala, our ethnic day, transformed our department into a vibrant mode of cultural diversity. Spardha, our department sports day, celebrated team spirit, resilience, and the joy of sportsmanship. Alumnium 2025, our alumni reunion, reconnected generations of achievers and inspired current students through stories of strength and innovation. Campus to Corporate, the placement drive, bridged the academic preparation and industry readiness. Tech Diva was a social entrepreneur event, World Environment Day, Management Conclave, International MEC Conference, International Student Development Programs, MBA Expo Trendscape, Business Plan Competitions, Field Visits, Global Immersions, including unforgettable experiences in Indonesia, where our students visited and learned and immersed themselves, and also we hosted Acharya University, Uzbekistan, giving a broad perspective. The domestic immersion program to Delhi, Agra, Punjab, and Manali broadened the cultural experiences for the Department of MBA. IIM Bangalore Visit offered our faculty a unique opportunity to understand the best practices of management across the world. Our achievements have been phenomenal. Our students continue to make us proud, demonstrating excellence across academic, cultural, and sporting arenas. At Alliance 1 3.0, David Peter was crowned Best Manager, while Ankit, Sidhu, and Darshan secured top positions in HR event. Gautam and Vasuprada won the first prize in Business Quiz at BMSIT. We did achieve a milestone by winning the overall championship at Nitya Meenakshi this year, and this was a lot of honor for us as well as the Institute, Acharya Institute of Technology, where MBA represented AIT and won the overall championship. When it comes to scoring excellence, we have Akshaya Vikram, who secured the first place in the National Archery Championship. Our MBA cricket team won at the Saundarya Open College Tournament. The department lifted the trophy in the Acharya Premier League alongside volleyball and badminton championships. Darshan S received the prestigious title of India's longest hitter of baseball, earning a 15 lakh cash prize. Prajwal H was awarded the best technician at the national, state, and intercollegiate levels and secured second place in the Battle of Bands exemplified rare versatility, both technical mastery and creative performance. When it comes to academics, we've always been top of the game. Our students have set exceptional benchmarks in academic performance. First semester toppers, Sunanda 87%, Shweta 85%, Vidya 84%. Second semester toppers, Manisha 89%, Hemalata 89%, Divyashri 88%. Third semester topper, Divyashri 91%, Gautam 89% and Pooja 87%. Our faculty continue to set the highest standards of scholarship and leadership. Dr. Ramesh Raina was a resource person at Atal FDP program. Dr. Monica delivered international lectures at UPL. Dr. Vijay Guna was appointed as the member for the Board of Studies at VBU for 3 consecutive years. Professor Geetika earned a distinction in sports, emerging as a runner-up in throwball representing AIT. Professor Suhas Patel, Dr. Mehak Balani and Dr. Ramesh Raina were recognized as the employees of the month in this particular year, making the MBA department extremely proud. Our faculty also enriched management literature by authoring impactful textbooks. As we reflect on these milestones, it is evident that our department is not merely imparting knowledge, but inspiring transformation. Each achievement is a testament to the collective energy, discipline and ambition that the MBA department visions for itself at Acharya Institute of Technology. Let us continue to dream boldly, lead ethically and build a legacy that inspires generations to come. Acharya MBA, where leaders are made.